AshleeGenae here and
Sierra.
Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic.
but anyway, as you can tell, the setup is a little bit different. We are going to do a cook with me segment. We are going to be making some chicken spaghetti from the scratch. Okay, so if y'all wanna see how we
Do this.
keep on watching, y'all. Keep on watching. Okay. We got the noodles already cooked up. They look a little dry, but that's okay because we want to add a little sauce. We're gonna add a little sauce to it.
Yeah.
So I already cut up a few pieces of chicken. I seasoned it with some Montreal chicken, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and some salt and pepper. And I just chopped it up in a little bitty bowl. And here we is. I don't know if this is enough chicken, but hey. So right now, Sierra's about to start cooking the chicken. Get that pan going, see. And I also cooked some turkey bacon. I got this recipe from Pinterest, but I cooked some turkey bacon so we can like sprinkle the bacon bits. Yeah, sprinkle the bacon bits on top of the chicken, on top of the spaghetti when we get finished. So Sierra's gonna cook that chicken in that same little grease, just to give it a little flavor. What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? What's your flavor?
And in there, you know, put all of it on in there. It's already good and seasoned.
You think we need a bigger pan? Yeah.
No.
Put a bigger pan.
Why?
Just so it can cook faster. Yeah, that one. Spatula. Okay. You know, a spatula.
Especially. I'm gonna add a little olive oil just so the pan don't.
Where's the music?
Get on with the outside. Oops, that's too much, but it's okay. I'll dry it out. Right now, y'all, I'm just letting it cook. She got me looking like Wizard Kelly, y'all. It's Wizard Kelly, y'all.
Hey!
It's Wizard Kelly, y'all. Oh, it's Wizard Kelly, y'all. Right now, it's cooking up. Noodles are already done. Ashley's about to cook up. Ashley's about to cut that right on up some more for us because it's the last chicken.
Y'all, please don't do it. I think Sierra broke my cutting board. She don't want to admit to it, but this is what we got.
Y'all, it's a cutting board. Why the hell would I not admit to breaking a cutting board? Which I didn't. But Ashley don't like to own up this stuff, guys. Look like this, okay, babies? Okay? It should look like this. This is how meat, finished meat is supposed to look. It's not fully cooked yet, but not no brown. Just, you know, just right. Just right. This is how it's supposed to look. Just like that. Like this.
Look at the little bacon
No
over
pink
there.
spot.
You see little bacon?
Yeah, y'all see little bacon over there? Little turkey bacon. Turkey bacon, okay?
How many of y'all black mamas season that chicken in that sink? How many of y'all? But it's okay. It's okay. As long as that sink clean.
All the black mamas.
While cooking, make sure you always testing your food, because you don't want to get to the end and it's nasty.
Clean on the way. So when you're done, you ain't gotta clean up nothing.
Look at you. Okay, see, go.
It's the way that you pray all my insecurities. I know the feeling.
taste.
This should not be that damn water. Now we gotta drain it. Look how much olive oil she put in.
Don't do that.
It was like a little soup.
I told you I had.
Trial and error, trial and error.
It's still good though. Don't get me wrong. It's still good. Got it quick right there. Is the sauce for the chicken spaghetti. So, oh, wrong phone. So basically what we'll need is 1 to 3 cups of Parmesan cheese, 5 tablespoons of melted butter. We'll also need 8 ounces of cream cheese, Philadelphia to be exact. We'll need our shredded chicken, of course, and 1 cup of sour cream, and we'll need 2 ounces of our cream of chicken sauce. So let's get started. Oh yeah, and 2 eggs.
This that cooking on a Sunday type of music right here. 5 tablespoons of butter.
Melted butter.
Let's do 6, because you know black people like to do eggs.
Alright, so we got our melted butter. What I'm going to do is pour this butter on up in this bowl. 8 ounces of cream cheese. Go ahead and put them 2 eggs up in there, little ass. Put them 2 eggs on in there.
And of course, we are using cage-free eggs, of course. Of course. Brown eggs.
For the brain. For the brain.
And I'm just about to mix these eggs in the same bowl that we put the butter in.
It's all about the wrist motion, okay? Go ahead and put that egg on up in there. I'm gonna put the cream of chicken on in the sauce for the chicken spaghetti. I'm about to add both. This is about to be so good. Oh my gosh, like I feel it. I feel it all over